Okay, so now we're going to talk about putting the clock together. Okay, a big fancy word for that is the assembly. We're going to talk about the assembly of the clock, how we put it together. Okay, so we have our clock here. There's a hole poked in the middle for the hands to go through. Okay, and then I have my two hands here, and I poked a hole through each of those. Okay, so here's how you're going to do it. Okay, now, at school, we would use something called a brass fastener to make the hand spin. Now, I don't have any of those at home. So I was looking around my house and I had to be a bit of a problem solver and come up with something that I could use that would make it so the hands would spin. Okay, so I decided for mine that I was going to use a little earring. Okay, now ask your parents what they have at home that would work and have them help you with this step. Okay. So I'm using a little earring and there's the back to the earring. Okay, you can also use a little brooch like this that you wear on your shirt. Okay, that would work too. Okay, use what you have. So first I'm going to take my earring and put it through the minute hand. Okay, oops, there you go, so you can see. Now I'm going to put it through the hour hand. Okay, so now they're both on there. Okay, now take your clock. Put it through the middle of the clock, okay, like that. Flip it over, okay, and this is where you're going to put the back on so that everything stays. So I'm going to put the back of the earring on, just like that, okay? And then when you're done, your hand should be able to move on your clock, okay? So that's how I made my clock. Experiment, have fun with it. No two clocks will look the same and have a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy this. Take care. Bye.